Just thought I'd give you a look at a bit of a project that I've been working on for a customer. Basically, I was provided with these bars. They're they're easily, from back in the 1800s. They're a cast steel bar. Basically, the customer wants to. He's got a fairly old historical period home that has a lot of sort of ornate fixtures, fencing and things like that. Basically he wanted some window bars to suit. So that's what I've been working on for the last week. As you can see, basically I've used 12 by 12 solid bar for the horizontal bars. Then we've got our 3mm by 25mm flat bar that we've used for our supports. Welded on the top and bottom. 10mm mounting holes as per the customer's want. These will be sent off for sandblasting and powder coating once my part of the job is done. This is a bit of a jig that I've had to set up. It's just a timber frame. Just allows me to have somewhere where I can set them up. They're all cut at 900mm long, and this jig just gives me an opportunity to sort of lay them all out, space them. These outer sides are just tacked in at the moment. I'm actually going to take this one in. This is a different size to the others. There's going to be 9 in total. Basically each window set are different to the others. This one will go up sort of along the side of the house, which is a different dimension again. So I've just welded the 2 outers, just tacked in place at the moment, and that basically gives me the overall size, which I'll then take into the customer's house tomorrow. Just put up into place, test fit, make sure that we're happy with how they look and how they sit. Any modifications that need to be made, rather than go ahead and weld the whole thing out, to go in there and realise, something's not quite right. It's easier just to get our major dimensions, all our outside dimensions done and just tacked together, so that any changes that need to be made for whatever reason are matter of minutes to unpick it and make those changes. But they were basically all welded up with the Unimig Viper 182, and they're all welded using the stick function. I still haven't got around to doing part 2 of my review with the gas MIG setup. It's all ready to go. Everything's loaded up. Basically, this job's pretty much been my focus and priority this week, and probably will be for the next week. Expecting a bit of rain to come through, so I need to sort of do all the cutting that I need to do outside. But so far, this machine is welded absolutely beautifully. See if I can give you a bit of a, just the stick welding of that inverter just works really well. I'm really happy with how that's come out. I'm just using 2.4mm welding rods. Yeah, so that's just a little bit of an update of what I've been up to. And yeah, hopefully once it's all done and they're all sandblasted, powder coated and installed, I'll hopefully be able to share some pictures of the finished products. So yeah, just something I thought I'd update. Thank you.